Hey guys, how you doing? The Big Wit here with you, and we are looking at fishing Barents Sea. This game has only been available on Steam for about 36 hours, so the game is brand new. And there are a few little things that we need to take a look at here, and one of them is how to gut the fish. I've heard a lot of stuff and a lot of people saying, boy, I can't figure out how to gut the fish properly. And that's a really important part of the game. So this is just going to be a little brief tutorial on how to do that. I'm not really very good at it yet either, so it takes practice. But there are a few things you should know that will make life a lot easier for you. Now, I've just hauled in a bunch of fish, so let's get gutting so I can show you how this is done. All right, here's our gutting table, and of course, we're going to start our fish gutting. Now, take a look. Notice you have a knife in your hand. Whoops, I shouldn't have done that, should I? I just ruined that part of the fish. Now, I don't want you to look at the knife ever again. Looking at the knife will screw you up. Look at the blue cutting tool that's bouncing up and down there. The idea of this is to, now I gotta move it back up. The idea is to move the blue, I told you I wasn't good at this, move the blue cutting tool across the blue lines. Now you can see that was absolutely awful. I ruined that fish. Now look, ungutted, I had what? 1,646 kilos. Gutted, I only had 336.2 kilos. You see how that ruins your fish and ruins your catch? So actually, I'm glad I kind of did that for the first one. Let's try another fish. Now, here's our blue thing. Like I said, don't look at the knife. Look at the blue thing you can see up there vibrating. Move that across the green dots. However, look at the blue balls that you see on the table. Think of those blue balls as huge magnets, and those huge, powerful magnets are going to pull your cutting tool towards them. So the idea is to fight the magnetism of the blue balls as you're pulling it across the fish. Now, the bigger the ball, the more magnetic pull it has. Unfortunately, sometimes those balls will change in the middle of a cut and become larger. But let's see if we can do this a little bit better than we did our last one. See, those two balls that were just there at the end got bigger as I pulled the cutting tool towards them. Now, let's take a look at our catch. If you'll notice, ungutted, we had 623 kilos, 624 kilos. Gutted, we've got 1,358.5 kilos. I don't know how that works, but that's how the game is counting it. So, now, bigger fish. Bigger fish are harder to do for some reason. But you can get them done. That one wasn't too bad. We went from 430 kilos to 1,552 kilos. That's not bad at all. That was a pretty good gutting. Now we've got another one. Let me quit talking. And see, all those, wow, all those blue magnets, let's call them, got bigger as I pulled the cutting tool across and just yanked it right out of my hand. But anyway, that's gutting. Quick tutorial on that. I hope you all enjoyed it. This is a Big Wit. We'll talk to you later.